the Most Beautiful Roof in the World, pages 22 through 23. Please open up your book to these pages and follow along. Meg climbs higher into the canopy. The light twinkles brightly. Above her is a cascade of orchids. Suddenly, through the avenues of emerald light, like winged rainbows, two macaws sweep through the canopy. The very air seems splattered with their brilliant color. The birds fly in silence, but the spider monkeys screech in alarm. Branches shake. The bright pair settles in a nearby kapuk tree. There might be a nest with chicks in it, for this is the time when the young hatch. Or the pair might be foraging in the surrounding mahogany and kapuk trees for fruits and nuts. The beaks of macaws are among the most powerful in the world. Macaws can crack almost any nut or seed, and also deliver the most wicked of bites. The two birds suddenly explode from the tree like a burst of fireworks and go to another tree nearby. Meg thinks that they are most likely foraging for food to bring to their young. They deliver the food by first chewing it up until it is a pulpy mass that they then swallow and store in a food pouch. When they return to their young, they will regurgitate this food into the mouths of their chicks. Soon they fly off. Meg wishes James and Edward could have seen them. Meg continues climbing up. She reaches the third platform, 115 feet above ground. This platform is built in the spreading branches of a nargusta tree. Two lianas snake out along one branch, seeming to choke it in their twisted grip. From this platform she has a good view of 4 ant gardens she is monitoring, as well as of 2 very special bromeliads. First, she peeks in on the ant gardens. They appear to be almost hanging, with their tendrils of plant roots and vines swaying in the still air. They are actually firmly based on the branches of trees. "Ah, there's a new one just beginning," Meg exclaims as she focuses her viewing scope. At the V where one branch joins another, there appears to be a clump of dirt with several small, spear-shaped leaves, similar to those of a Christmas cactus, projecting. This, in fact, is the foundation for the little tree-top farm so carefully tended by several different species of ants. Meg clips her Jumars into some extending cable so she can go higher and get closer to the ant gardens. She wants to observe a mature one that fairly bristles with plant life. Meg counts at least 6 different kinds of seedling plants here, ranging from orchids to cacti. A peperomia plant forms its base. The ant gardens are magnets for epiphytic growth. Epiphytes, unlike vines or lianas, usually start growing from the canopy down. They need the tree for support. They root on the bark or soil found on the tree. They often begin when a bird excretes a seed from overhead, or, as in this case, when the ants themselves drags in bits of plant materials. The bits take root. The seeds sprout. The little ant farmers tend them night and day, and in return they feed off the glucose and proteins that the plants contain in their sucres, the sugary deposits made by the plant's metabolic processes. Scientists think that the ant gardens themselves may be of benefit to more than just the ants, that these gardens help the tree itself by allowing it to capture more solar energy and to trap atmospheric nutrients that might slip off a bare trunk.